Hey guys, Expedite Travels, Duncan here. Um, my life's changed. Um, I've done something. I'm going to show you. I'm no longer in the straight truck. I'm still expediting. I've gone back into a van. I'm going to insert a couple photos somewhere over here. And I'm going to show you what type of vehicle I have. Then I'm going to do an inside tour. And I'll explain some things. And then, yeah, we'll continue on what we've always been doing, trying to help people that are in the industry, getting into the industry, want to learn about it, decide if it's for them or not. So we're still going to continue doing what we're doing. I still enjoy doing the videos. Yes, my time's kind of limited. This is kind of a hobby, so if I get a couple hundred people that watch, I get a couple hundred people or a couple thousand. That's whatever happens. This is just a hobby. I don't need to be Mr. Hollywood. So stay tuned. I'll show you the inside tour of my van right now. Alright, I am sitting on my bed right now, and this is a 3-skid van, like it said in the picture. I got a moving blanket, or shipping blanket, whatever they're called. I hung that on the back doors just to keep the draft out. I still, by the way, this is welcome to SpaceX spaceship. Here's my bed. I'll show you guys all this. So this is a 3-skid van. Right now I'm using my generator powering this little space heater. I also, just in case something happens to my generator, I brought my Mr. Heater buddy. I only use that if somehow my generator broke or something happened where it stopped working. I would use this just to heat the van up, just to get some heat in here while I climb into bed, and when I wake up in the morning or something, I would not leave it on. I do not have roof vents. I guess I could leave the front windows cracked, but I don't feel comfortable doing that. But yeah, man, a space heater, 13 Celsius, so it's probably, I don't know, close to 60 something in here now. It's nice and toasty. I put Reflectix up on the walls just over top of everything, and that foil high vac tape stuff, so there's a little bit of an air gap, see, and this thing heats it up really nice. Eventually I will put wood paneling over top of it, that really thin Luan or something. So this came with a, I don't know, whatever, a floor mat. Excuse the mess. I ended up doing a load earlier yesterday, and then I'm just kind of sitting around waiting for freight. But everything's I just kind of threw everything out of the way for now. Excuse the mess. I know I look like a pig. This thing's insulated, and obviously that gets strapped down over there or something. It's not rolling around. Actually, I put this kind of up closer here. They have the D-rings in the floor. I like this out of the way just in case I get whacked. Somebody rear ends me, I don't want to blow up. So the farther forward it is, probably the better off I am. And yeah, man, so this is the van. I have my LED strip light that is powered by one of them little, I don't know, portable cell phone chargers. Works really well. And I got some curtains from Walmart. Like, they were like 14 bucks a piece, and a curtain rod. Those just clip in and clip out. Reflectix on the door. I still left a little bit of that over there. Doesn't really, I still have to get a moving blanket for that door when I'm, parked, so I can just clip it up and block some of the draft. There's still a little bit of draft coming in. My bed. I had a bed out of my camper van. I cut that down 30 inches, put a duct tape the side of it so all the stuff doesn't fall out, and then I put a fitted, I don't know, single fitted sheet over it, my sleeping bag, blankets, pillow. This is, what is this, 3/4 inch plywood, and it is sitting on top of, there's like milk, just like milk crates. That's all, 4 milk crates, and it works very, very well. Like, I'm in a t-shirt in the van, and it's really hot in here. So here's a tour of my new Expedite van. More on why I'm in the van, where I went to in the van, all that kind of stuff. Probably the next video I do, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, just a little bit different. That's okay. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys on the next one. Be safe, and we shall see you later. Bye bye.